Cooking with Clint. And on this episode today, I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave. Yes, if you're anything like me, you like good breakfast, but you're just too lazy to grill it on the pan and stove because you have to wash a million things. And I know what you could be thinking. Well, could you just throw the pan in the dishwasher? Well, I could, except my wife likes to buy non-dishwasher safe pans. And as always, I like to say, if it's not dishwasher safe, then what's the point? But anyway, I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave. And you don't need anything on the as seen. It's too expensive and it doesn't work as seen on TV. All you're going to need is a fork and a coffee mug, and of course some eggs, and a little bit of half and half. Alright, let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to get your eggs, and you want to crack them into your coffee mug. We're going to use 2. Alright. Wash my hands. Be careful not to get salmonella. Alright. And then we're going to take our fork and just give our eggs a really good beating. Just mix it up right in there really good. And then the secret part to get some really nice fluffy eggs is we're going to take some just a splash of half and half and put it right into the coffee mug. There we go. Alright. Now we're just going to beat it some more. Just get it mixed in there really nice and tight. Okay, now we're going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. When using a microwave, be sure to protect your snozberries from the radiation. Awkward pause right here. Aren't you glad I'm doing this live? Alright, I'm gonna take it out. And we're just gonna give it a good beating a little bit more. Just beat it up a little bit. Just give it a good mix. Alright, now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. I probably shouldn't have done this one live. Right here. And I don't know if you can see that, but look how nice and fluffy those eggs look. And you just plop it right down here on your plate. Mix it right up. And there you go. In a minute and a half, you've got nice scrambled eggs and very little cleanup. Excellent. And if you don't want to clean up any more dishes, you can use the same coffee mug and just pour your coffee right in it. There you go. You got the nice, fantastic breakfast and very little cleanup. Ooh, there was a little bit of a shell in that one. Anyway, that's it with this episode on Cooking with Clint. I hope you enjoyed this special live episode. Let me know what you think in the comments. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel, Cooking with Clint on YouTube. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to have to awkwardly walk behind the camera and stop the stream. So you're going to just not see me for a couple of minutes. Anyway, have a great day, and thank you very much for joining me on this episode.